Right, welcome back. Like I said, I finally got my batteries. They fit pretty damn good. I got 9000 C batteries. They fit pretty nice. These are the thick ones, 11 volt. Excuse me, 14.8 volts. These are huge, fat. Exactly what this car needs. The Traxxas 8S. As you guys know, last time on the video I was running Traxxas batteries. They were the 570, but I made a mistake. I got the 7.4 volts, and those are not good. Didn't even move the truck. I only ran the truck for like 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, and it was already there. Doesn't give it enough power. What's wrong with this cable? I don't want to jam it either. Something was, there you go. Something was holding it. Alright, now we're gonna give it some power. It's so hard for me to do this with one hand. Alright, welcome back. You guys already know the magic, how to turn this baby on. Got this hook. Nose first. Boom. Turn your remote. You should always turn your remote first. See, that's why it's not working. Always turn your remote first before turning your car. That's why I'm going back to this. See, it's blinking. It's not connected. So I'm gonna have to unplug it back. I have to unplug it. Plug it back up. Push the button again. Green. So we're good. Nose first. We all learning. We all learning, my friend. We all learning. Need to get that edge. Get the edge, guys. Don't play games. Get the edge. There you go. Now we're booming. The throttle. So slow. I don't know why. That was my only concern. Sorry, Nancy. You okay, Mama? So windy today. Come on, Nancy, we got a ramp. We're gonna have to show them. Where's that ramp at? Tell me if that doesn't happen to anyone. It's like the first time you're about to go jump the ramp. Come on, Tessus, you don't get stuck with that. This is a homemade ramp. Let me get some those people. Oh no, I shouldn't get it in the freaking mud. Okay, here you go, first jump. Second jump.